All right, we back YouTube. Y'all should already know what it is. We on the consistent grind. I'm gonna try to get these videos pushed out way earlier because lately I've been recording late and my videos ain't been getting as much views. But when I push it out around 3 or 4, it's a whole different story. That video go up. But watch the whole video through. If you mess with me, like the video. That's all I want. The goal for this month is to hit 100 subscribers. So, if you fuck with me, help me reach my goal. Other than that, let's get into this video, man.
A doorbell camera captured a chilling moment as a masked man slowly approached the house, holding a sharp weapon in his hand. Without hesitation, he forced his way inside and attacked the homeowner's son.
What the fuck? That
Without hesitation, he forced
That nigga went in there like he knew that shit was unlocked. Am I tripping?
his way inside and
he went in there too smooth. Man, lock y'all doors, bro. I don't care if you going to the store across the street, bro. Lock your door. You never know in this world, and it's better to be safe than to be sorry. Don't think it can't happen to you, bro.
holding a sharp weapon in his
hand. I bet bro right here ain't
Without
think this nigga would walk in his house
inside and attack the homeowner's son.
And attack his son, bro? That's crazy. Did he just stab that nigga up and leave?
Homeowner's son, panicked and desperate, screamed for help from the other room. Hearing the cries, the intruder quickly fled the scene, disappearing into the night.
What the fuck? What do people be doing nowadays? Like, what was your mission, bro? It don't seem like you came there to kill nobody, because if that's what you wanted to do, you would have did it, right? Maybe he was trying to rob the place. He didn't know them people was there, but he went in there too smooth, bro. That nigga, he just walked up in that bitch.
The cries, the intruder quickly fled the scene, disappearing into the night.
You guys go ahead and go.
Late at night, a thief tried to break into a car. The homeowner spotted him and confronted him right there.
Hey, you take anything?
Surprisingly, they ended up having a conversation about the situation. Let's see how that played out.
No, I didn't take nothing. On my life, look yourself. Look yourself.
Do not be this nigga, bro. I ain't gonna lie, don't trust nobody. Don't get close to nobody, bro. Especially if you just seen a nigga stealing out your car, bro. It's a lot of weird people out here, bro. And all it takes is one weird person and your life is gone. Like, for real, bro. Like, this nigga could have just snuck you. The whole time he had a gun. He pistol whip you back in the back of your head. Like, you never know, bro. Just come on, bro. There's no way you standing this close to this nigga, bro. You just seen him stealing out your car. You standing close to him like this your homie, bro. You having a conversation with him? Like,
a woman recorded a
who baby daddy is this?
With a man who appeared incredibly angry.
That's her baby daddy.
His actions took a turn that might make you uneasy about this incident.
That's her baby daddy. That ain't nobody random. Goofy ass nigga. Shit.
The doorbell camera captured a high...
Them niggas be crazy about the coochie. Did that nigga just break the window head first? What? First he smacked his head on that bitch. I know that shit hurt. But then he that nigga pushed the window and broke that shit. These niggas go crazy over that
coochie. The doorbell camera captured a highly disturbing and confusing scene. A man entered the home after hearing a girl crying and running.
He's coming. Who's coming?
I'm automatically gonna feel like that's a setup. If I don't know that bitch, you gotta go.
Believing she was in danger, he took her inside for safety and planned to call the cops.
Oh yeah, Or are you crazy? Now what if she pulled the gun from the back of her and said, you know what? Give me everything in this bitch. You and all your sons don't expect shit. Hell no, I ain't letting no random lady in my house. We could stand on the porch. You feel me? And I gotta have my protection. But hell no. And you got the dogs in the crate so they can't even help. It's like a disaster.
Suddenly, another man broke into the house, leaving the homeowner bewildered.
She just unlocked the door for that nigga. Wow, look at the dogs. They like, this bitch trifling. Wow. This not even their parent, bro. That nigga black.
The girl, now in a panic, started running away from the intruder and headed back the way she'd come.
So, I don't know, Sarah came running in the house and a guy just came from the house.
Was this a setup, or was she genuinely...
I was wrong. Who is that nigga? What the fuck? And why did he come in there like that was his shit? He pointed, hey nigga. Yeah. What the fuck? Ain't nobody coming in my house pointing at me. What the fuck? And nigga, get out my house. What the fuck? This dog's not even barking. You gotta sell them motherfuckers.
The girl, now in a panic, started running away from the intruder.
Why is your dog's not barking, gang?
I don't know, Sarah girl came running out.
The son don't know what to say. This is the craziest shit he ever seen.
Was this a setup, or was she genuinely fleeing from someone? In broad daylight, a neighbor recorded a brazen robbery. A group of thieves broke into a neighbor's house and targeted a cabinet safe. They even smashed the front door to get it out.
Stay.
Young and dumb.
Come here.
Car probably stolen too.
Despite their efforts, the safe was too big to fit in.
These niggas need to go to jail, bro. You telling me you came all the way over there to get that safe and it's taking that long to get that shit in the car? So what if the police was on their way, bro? Is y'all gonna leave the safe there, or y'all gonna continue to try to put it in the car? Cause if you leave it there, you just got 5 stars on GTA for nothing. You feel me? But if you continue this and the police already on the way, you going to jail, bro. That's facts. These niggas weak, just young and dumb.
Despite their efforts, the safe was too big to fit in their car. Always check your Doorbell app to help prevent such incidents.
Can't even fit in the car. Stupid ass niggas.
I'm sorry.
Niggas need to get it together, bro.
This doorbell footage captured a man holding a weapon.
I hope they went to
seemingly waiting
jail.
for someone.
Who is this nigga, bro?
Seemingly waiting for someone.
Oh, this nigga is beyond ready. What the fuck? Whoever this nigga targeted is, I feel sorry for them. You can't even wear a vest. This nigga aiming for the head. This nigga mean business. This nigga got a 20 kill streak, bro. Like, what type of shit? This a Call of Duty skin, bro. It's a real life Call of Duty skin, bro.
What do you think he's up to? Comment below.
What do you mean, what do you think he's up to? This nigga.
In San Rafael, California,
He on that
thieves
murder
used
business.
to cut through a chain, making a lot of noise.
Is that a scooter, fool?
Surprisingly, the homeowner didn't notice.
There's no way you
The
that
thieves
thirsty
managed
for
to
a
steal an
scooter.
electric scooter without being caught. In Aurora, Colorado, armed men boldly robbed several
That's
apartments
sad.
in broad daylight.
This nigga just pull up with a sniper? Am I tripping?
Aurora, Colorado.
And okay. His homie got a Glock. I was finna say, ain't no nigga robbing me with a sniper, my nigga. You ain't finna quick scope me, nigga. I'm just saying. Ain't no nigga robbing me with a sniper. What the fuck? Why would he bring that? He better off using his fist.
In Aurora, Colorado,
Nigga, you should have brung a knife.
Robbed several apartments in broad daylight. Their audacity was striking. They showed no fear of the law.
You opened the door?
In Glenpool, Oklahoma,
What the
police raided
fuck?
the wrong house, leaving the homeowner terrified and confused.
What's that?
Leaving.
These niggas look like, and no offense, bro, but you ever seen like the special ed people walking in groups? That's what these niggas look like right now. And I'm no offense. I'm not trying to be disrespectful towards, but that's what these niggas look like, bro. What type of shit is this, bro? These niggas get laid the fuck down. Nigga come out with a chopper.
Police raided the wrong house, leaving the homeowner terrified.
Nigga come out the cut. They laying them down all in a row.
Police search warrant! Police search warrant! Policía orden de arresto!
They ran it, and that bitch like headless chickens. What the fuck? That shit sound lethal.
What would you do in this situation? Or has something similar happened to you? Share your thoughts in the comments.
They wasn't on point, bro. You got cameras. They should have been alerted you.
No one was home.
There's 10 dickheads outside your house.
Meanwhile, the homeowner was watching the whole thing live on their Doorbell app.
Who baby daddy is this? Oh shit, I'm tripping.
Yo. What you mean, gang? Yo.
Make sure to keep your doors locked.
This nigga talking on his Ring door camera, bro. Talking about, oh, somebody. Y'all hear this nigga?
Oh, somebody ran in the crib.
Somebody ran in the crib, yo. Nigga, if you don't get the fuck off that speaker, nigga, and go to your crib.
Yo.
Or call the police, nigga, do something.
Yo.
Make sure to keep your doors locked.
You talking about keep your doors locked. Nigga, they bust through that bitch.
Where do I go? Follow the GPS.
In another disturbing footage, a homeless man found a key outside an apartment. He tried it on each door, entering and stealing what he could.
Ain't no way, bro. This was everybody mama fear, bro. You ever lost the key while you was at school or something, bro? This is exactly what your mama thought was gonna happen, bro. This nigga just said, this nigga found a key and went to every door to try to unlock that bitch. I can't believe this shit, bro.
Man,
oh me, bro.
A key outside an apartment.
If your mama used to say this, bro, show this her. This shit crazy.
A homeless man found a key outside an apartment. He tried it on each door, entering and stealing what he could. This highlights why you should never leave a key under the door.
This nigga is crazy.
Make sure to change your door lock.
This nigga all the way in the 300s. I know he ain't starting the 100s. Right? There's no way that nigga's that dedicated.
After the homeowner called to report that someone
I wonder if he found it.
Stolen their purse. The video shows the four-wheeler driving by with a cop spotlighting him. The cop didn't act until the homeowner pointed out.
There he is, right there. Dummy. That's it.
At that point, the cop finally responded, confirming.
I just know this nigga weak. It looked like this nigga played Rocket League. This is what a Rocket League player look like, bro. I swear to God. These niggas, bro. He played Rocket League, Roblox, or Fortnite. I promise you.
The cop finally responded, confirming that was the person who took the purse.
That's the dude that stole the purse off our porch. That's the guy right there.
Nigga still got the headphones on, nigga.
Damn, man, he's gone. Dummy.
Nigga, you ain't gonna do shit. That nigga came out there with the controller and the knife. I can't believe this nigga, bro. Nigga, get your ass in the house. You ain't doing shit.
This doorbell camera captured a disturbing scene. A truck crashed into a dumpster and then collided with 5 parked cars at a school.
How do you do that?
A man shared a video showing a mountain lion in a drainage pipe on LaRue Street, heading towards Park Avenue.
The fuck?
The lion then disappeared.
People be seeing some crazy ass shit, bro.
There's a small opening by the road. Be cautious in that area. Late at night, a homeowner saw someone trying to break into his car. He went outside and confronted the individual.
Are you serious, bro? This nigga just went like, ah. He didn't even do it like that. He did like this. Ah. Nigga, that ain't scaring nobody, bro. What if he would have stopped stealing your car, knocked you out, and then continued to steal your car? Get your ass out of here, nigga. Oh. This nigga did an eagle screech. What the fuck was that, bro?
Always check outside before opening your door. This doorbell footage captured an alligator walking right outside. Imagine what could have happened if someone had gone out without checking first. This doorbell footage captured a disturbing scene involving a neighbor. The homeowner has a restraining order against another tenant in the building, a mother and her son, who had previously threatened the homeowner's 12-year-old daughter and husband with a weapon.
Bro, if these niggas allowed to do this shit, bro, walk outside with their titties, there's no way females should. I just stuttered, bro. If this nigga is allowed to walk outside shirtless with them titties, females should be allowed to do the same thing, bro. I'm just saying, bro. This nigga titties jiggling every time he hit that door. Look at this shit.
Threatened the homeowner's 12-year-old daughter and husband with a weapon.
You see him jiggling, bro? What cup size is he, bro? He need to put a bra on, bro. That shit inappropriate. If it's okay for him to do it, we need the females to do it, bro. Them things jiggling every time he hit that door.
This doorbell footage captured a concerning clip of a little boy, about 4 years old, running around alone and looking lost. Neighbors were seen walking around, trying to find him and ensure he was safe.
Yo.
Here's another terrifying footage. The homeowner heard
that's a BN, bro. A baby nigga.
Oh my God. Juju, get in the house.
This nigga just called his cat children, bro. That was the most widest reaction. Was it not, bro? This nigga said children. It's one cat. Is there another cat?
Children.
Or did he name his cat children? Did he name his cat children so he could be like, yeah, man, I gotta go home. I gotta take care of my children. Yeah, I gotta take care of the children. You know the children at home. You know I got the children at home. I don't know, bro. Hey, but if you like the video, like it. Like I said, we trying to hit that 100 subscribers by the end of the month. So if you fuck with me, if you really, really fuck with me, subscribe to my channel, bro. And I'll see y'all in the morning. I'm out.